So hey guys, how are you? I'm so glad to see you again here in this channel. So today I'm going to draw a very beautiful drawing of a witch, Indian witch. So I'm using oil pastel colors and I will also use acrylic paints at some places. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first color that I'm using is burnt sienna color, also called brown. So I'm applying very less pressure here. And now I'm using medium yellow color with little pressure. I'm also blending the previous color, that is brown color, with this medium yellow color. So follow the same process. Now this is rose pink color. I'm using it with very less pressure. Okay, so if you want, you can also skip this process. And now I'm using light peach color. Peach is also known as face color or flesh tint, right? And please do let me in the comment section that have you ever experienced any ghost, witch, spirit, any experience like this? And if yes, then please do let me in the comment section. I'll be glad to know your story. And if you will recreate this drawing, if you want to recreate this drawing, then please tag me on Instagram. The link of my Instagram is given on the description box. So if you will, when you will post the photo of yours drawing, then please tag me. I will review and I will also show this in my videos. Okay. So now as you can see that I'm using white color to blend. I'm using white color just to blend. Okay. So now it's turn for the nose. Now I'm using burnt sienna color or brown color, and now I'm using flesh tint color or face color or light peach color. And now to blend I'm using white color. Okay. So now for the outlines I'm using black pen, or you can also use black color pencil. So black color pencil is a little easy, so I'm using black color pencil now. Okay. So now for her bindi I am using red color, and I will also use red oil pastel or primary red color at the last. Now I'm using white for the reflections, and now to blend I'm using white, and again I'm using black color pencil for the eyes. Okay, so follow the same process as shown in the video. For coloring her lips, I'm using rose pink color at first, and then I will use primary red, and then to blend I will use white color. So now I'm using primary red. I have used rose pink earlier, so now I'm using primary red, and to blend I will use white color. So follow the same process as shown in the video. Okay, so now I'm using brown, flesh tint, and white color. Now I'm using brown. Then I will use flesh tint, and at last I will to blend I will use white color. Okay. So by now rain has started. So let me show you the rain. I'm enjoying the weather. Okay, so see. So as I have told you and have also shown you that it's raining very heavily. So please adjust because my voice will not be clear now. So now I am using primary red color with very light pressure. I'm outlining it with red color. That is primary red color. If you don't have primary red, or then you can also use magenta. So this is again primary red. So now with pressure, I'm using rose pink color just to blend everything. So this is rose pink color. If you don't have rose pink, you can also use any pink. मतलब जो normal pink होता है, you can also use that one. But I am using rose pink here. Okay. So as you know that कि Dayan with जो भी होती है ज़्यादातर वो लोग they wears black clothes, right? So I am coloring her sari with black color and also a blouse with black color, black oil pastel, ठीक है? And with pressure, and note one thing that I am leaving some spaces in between for the highlights. So you can see some spaces. So in that spaces I will fill white color just to blend everything. So for some reflections and highlights I have left some spaces in between. So now again I'm using black color with pressure. So follow the same process. So I missed this video but I have used white color in between. Okay. So please note that I have used white color in between and then I blended with my fingers. So follow the same process. Okay. Again I am using white color for some highlights and with very less pressure. So follow the same thing. And now I'm using rose pink color, and then to blend it I will use my dirty finger black say. Okay, you can also use black color directly. So now the rain has stopped so you can hear my clear voice. Okay, so now I'm using black color now. Okay, I'm using black color now with pressure. I've told you that for blouse and for everything her clothes I will use black color oil pastel. Okay, so I'm using black. To color her hairs, I'm using gray color. Okay, I'm giving strokes, loose strokes with gray color, and I'm not using pressure. Just mind it. And now I'm using yellow ochre color, and at last I will use black color. I will color with little pressure. I'm giving the same strokes. So make strokes with black color. Now to blend her hairs, I'm using tissue paper, but you can also use your fingers because according to me, fingers are best for blending. And at places जहाँ जहाँ आपको लग रहा है that you can add more black color, you should add more black color, then you can surely use black color. Now I'm using yellow ochre color. So follow the same process. For some highlights, I'm using gray color again. So you can see I'm giving strokes, the same strokes as I gave earlier, the loose strokes with gray and white also. And at last I will use black color also. Now I'm using black color, and then I will blend everything with my finger, because according to me fingers are best for blending. Now I'm using red acrylic color. So for the background, I'm using black color now, so you can see. And for the bordering of a dupatta, I'm using lemon yellow acrylic color. Okay, not oil pastel. I'm using acrylic color now, lemon yellow. You can also do this with a red color, primary red, if you don't have lemon yellow. So I hope you must have enjoyed the coloring process. If you want to recreate this drawing, then please tag me on Instagram when you will post your drawing. So let's meet in next video.